Fish your fucking reach.
Oh
yeah, he loves it. She fucking empty, eh? There she goes. She's filling. She's praying, spraying.
Yeah, need this just fill.
Can't believe you bring a tractor out on fucking E.
That's wild. They got bitches right there.
Huh?
They got like 100 of these little sticky things.
Nice. Hell yeah.
I can't get that little keypad to sync up to this thing.
Really?
Yeah.
It'll have to work. Not too bad out today. Not too bad out.
About 3 of those, this thing would be full.
I think I had about half to take it. I took it to the farm and filled the motherfucker all the way to the top.
Did you?
Yeah. Because it was full when I took it out to the property. Well, the excavator only holds 8 gallons.
This holds 88 gallons.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, I got the same thing.
Yeah? It's the same amount, huh? Nice. Yeah, they break down after a while. Let's see what you got. Where's the case at? In here? Let's see what we got in here, folks. We're in this big old beast. Oh yeah, you got that nice boat. You got a nice boat case come with her. Comes out some fucking recording gear here. Nice little setup. Nice little fucking devil's head. This is devil's head. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. That's also some memory sticks. That's a nice little kit. Must have been in the mountains, eh? Fucking smoking fucking Pall Malls in here. What in the hell's smoking Pall Malls in there? Fucking, she's full of Pall Malls. Can't beat that. She's got fucking fresh filter on her. A fucking nice filter on her. She hadn't even had 100 gallons through the filter yet.
See the little drives you gave me?
It's nice.
You got any of them?
Nope. There you go, folks. John Deere A with the pull behind dragger. Just got it from the auction. Yeah, it's dragging good. It's dragging good. Working good. Slam her down. What? Why? Folks, he said we just smoked the clutch. How do you know? It looks good. What? Damn it, folks, we just picked it up at the auction. Already smoked the clutch. There we go. Looking good. Oh yeah, I dragged her out pretty good, folks. This was a sweet corn patch. Had to mow it down. Coons got to it. Look at that giveaway stuff here, folks. He's got himself a monster. What we got?
I don't have one of these deals.
Hey, you got to buy one of them. You have to cut that down. It was pre-made that size. So that, yep. Back, hey, you can see what's going on. You got yourself light bulbs. We'll replace some dims in the shop. That's a case of par lights. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this setup.
That's going on the truck.
Yep, gotta get yourself an in. That's part of the battery box there. Oh yeah, you like that stuff right there. It's good shit right there, folks. It works. You gotta put batteries in it. Oh yeah.
What's this thing?
It's a battery pack. You can run on double A's in here, or plug it in and use the 4 C's in that unit. It's a coon hunting light. Oh yeah, look at that. You can get yourself a pair of fucking John Deere sunglasses.
Are they all scratched up?
Fuck no, hell no. They're still in the case, like brand new.
How am I gonna do with these?
I don't know.
Oh, they're all metal.
Oh yeah, fuck yeah, look at that. Woo,
Yeah,
see?
Yeah.
See, come with a case and everything. Nice. You can get yourself some fucking tinglies here. Fucking steel toe safety. Even got the fucking liners inside, brand new, never been worn. These are brand new, as you can tell. Yeah, they're brand new. Look at that. Look at
Those
that.
might just become how warm are they?
Very warm. Very warm, probably.
These probably be my new fuel and winter fuel.
Yep, there you go. They're pilot models. Yep. Oh yeah.
All this here in the truck.
Yep, look at that shit. Back the truck up. We'll just put it all in there. You got
It might
yourself.
throw out if I start it right now. It might throw
Oh yeah.
spark.
Yeah.
I'd be leery.
Bring it on down. We got the goodies here. What we got going on there?
Rubber fans in the south.
Looks like she's got a cam on that John Deere end.
Fans in the south.
I can't quite tell, but we got a loose belt, bearing loose or something. Rotate around. Where's it heading at? Must be flexing.
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Don't see it. Something's going on. Oh, I see it. It's up high.
It's up high?
Up high in there, see it?
No, it's not. It's right here. It's right here. Sitting right here.
You sure, Billy?
Yeah.
Alright. I think it's hidden over there.
No, it's clear. You put your hand up and you see it's clear. Yeah, it's clear up there.